Baby.
Cat boy.
Margot's getting ready. She's got to fix her middle part. It always messes up while she sleeps. Beautiful. And then Fiona likes to just stand here and flush the toilet. We are about to leave to go camping at the beach.
Yay, 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 yay! Let's look at the stuff in the car, Mommy.
Let's see how packed our vehicle is. Cute. Okay. You've added more stuff. I wanted you to have a lot of space. Alright, so she's added stuff to her side of the car. That's where Fiona's gonna go. This is where Mommy's gonna sit. Then let's check out the back. Totally stuffed.
Yay!
We also have a cargo topper that is also totally stuffed.
Ooh, what's inside?
Beach things. And then there's the baby. And then we still have more stuff to put in. How is it all gonna fit?
Let's put it in the middle.
Okay.
No.
We finally made it to the beach. I think there's gonna be ocean water over on this side.
Look at the map. We're about to drive into the water.
We're about to drive over water. There's water.
I love this.
We finally made it.
We made it. We made it.
Do we see any alligators? Ooh, there's one. There's one. There's two. I saw 2 alligators.
I don't see one.
There's 3. There's 4, 5.
There's people stuck.
Look at all those
I don't
alligators.
see them. Mama,
Oh no.
give me the list.
I wonder if they're actually stuck.
There are a lot of alligators out there. Oh my god. Wow. Daddy's getting everything out. It's behind her seat, yeah. This is our campsite. We gotta put our tent up. Yay, we're camping, yay!
And then we have these something.
All right, what have we done so far?
We
We've
are.
already seen, we've got here, we saw the wildlife. We're gonna set up tent.
And set it up. That means you'll get it set it up.
Mhm. Okay, we've got the campsite all set up. This is Fiona's little place where she's gonna live. We've got our firewood. Then we've got Margot's area back here. You're gonna put on your other swimsuit again. There's ours. And then Fiona's room is over here, but Margot's changing. She fell. There's the baby. And there's Margot.
We all ready. Let's catch that net.
Time to girl. This is so nice to be this close to the beach from our campsite. Ooh, look at that water. But there are alligators in there. Make sure you watch out for snakes, okay? Yeah. Make sure you don't step on any snakes. Squirrel. Tomorrow we'll check out all the alligators.
And go to the beach again.
Hmm?
Yeah, this half is fully finished.
Yeah. There's a snake.
I don't see it. What?
It's over like in the front, but it slithered in and I don't hear it or see it anymore. I don't know.
Whoa.
Whoa.
Crystal waterway, check it out.
Goodbye, baby. Hi. Hi. You got sandy hands. You got sandy hands. Ew. Daddy, she's coming back. Yeah. Yeah, there's water. Margaret's gonna do jump rope on the beach. We have the hammock up and now it is a swing apparently.
We always use hammocks as a swing. Ah!
You're starting a fire?
We got a fire.
Yeah, we're gonna make some s'mores. Are you sleepy, Daddy? I'm sleepy.
That baby's sleeping.
That baby is sleepy. Is that warm enough? Here's that magnificent s'more that we made. It's huge.
Mmm.
Mm-mm.
Mmm. You want me to talk to a kid?
Mm-hmm. We are gonna try and pop this popcorn. Smells like movie popcorn.
Yeah, I smell butter pretty well
Yeah.
occasionally.
Yay! Yay!
Is it good?
Yeah, it's okay.
You gonna try some popcorn?
Yeah. Give it to me. Mmm. I love moving popcorn.
We just woke up. Margaret, did you sleep well?
Yeah.
Yeah? Daddy, did you sleep well?
Yeah.
Fiona, did you sleep well?
Yeah, I gotta play with this wire now.
Mommy, did you sleep?
No. That silly little baby woke up at 2 a.m. and I was cold. I'm feeling better now.
We had animals steal it.
Last night, in the middle of the night, an animal stole our water bucket and chewed holes all in it.
We could tape it.
We'll just buy a new one.
We could tape it. We could tape it with a thick layer of tape at the inside and the
Can't
outside.
believe Daddy found it. He went out in the woods and he found it.
We could tape the holes
Look at all
and
those
make a big wall to lay out the inside and the outside.
What was
of
the
it.
point of this animal doing that?
Maybe it wasn't an animal.
There's all our seashells that came out of the bucket. We are making eggs for breakfast. Margot's over there just a bouncing. So we are about to go on a hike. We have the car all packed up. Margot and Fiona's back there. Do you have your sweater? Oh, it's back there.
We're going to the daddy. And now we are gonna go see the alligators here.
Yeah. Fiona, we're gonna go see the alligators. How many more alligators are we gonna see?
20.
Look, can you see it? Over the grass? Come this way. Do you see it? You don't
Oh,
see
see
it?
it.
Yeah. It might get up on that bank.
A big thing.
Look, there's another one. Just keep walking past the cones and you'll see it. Right there. Oh, here's one. So that's 6, 7, 8. Yeah, these are alligators. Right on us, my love. Look at that big old thing.
Back to the
Oh wow, your camera's great. Yeah.
There's the baby.
Bunch of birds. Daddy's favorite.
There's the Saracen. Two different varieties.
Wow. Are these flowers from it?
I believe so, yeah.
Yeah, look at it.
Just leave your hands still. It might come up to you. Yeah.
You didn't?
Today we're going to the beach.
Again.
Again.
Fiona's in a new swimsuit. Margot put on her same swimsuit again. Because it's her favorite.
It's dry now.
And because it's dry now. This is our last day. Our last day.
Let's chill.
Eggs and pancakes.
Let's see the octopus tree.
Now we are going to find the octopus tree. There's the octopus tree. Oh my goodness.
Go like that.
Fell over, sprouted new limbs, and it grew up in the air. Goodbye, Margot.
I'm Paul Octopus.
She can't have a picture with the tree because she's asleep.
Yay, we are going to the castle.
We are going to the castle. Do you see it over there? Atalaya. Atalaya is the former winter home of renowned sculptor Anna Hyatt Huntington and her husband Archer Milton Huntington. Well-known scholar of Hispanic studies, a businessman and poet. Wow! It's so pretty, and you two are so goofy. outdoor studio. They were sculptors. This is not a prison. This is a house. Wow, indoor studio. Oh yeah, she had monkeys and stuff like that. Wow, this place is beautiful. I would love to live somewhere like this. This is like so dreamy. Yep.
Christmas studio.
Oh.
This is the storage area.
Number 5 was the office storage. Number 6, this is the office. This is the office.
Where Daddy would work.
Yeah. Number 7, this is Mr. Huntington's study.
This is also big. This is a big one.
Yeah. His name was Archer. Wow. What do you think? Number 8 is the wardrobe room. This is where they hung their clothes. Look. Ooh, I can't open it. Archer's bath. Whoa, look at this old shower.
This is the bathroom.
Look at that. It's pretty on the front and the back.
Kind of cool. And this is just, imagine living here and walking through these hallways. Mommy's looking around. Let's look this way. 12 is the clothes storage. Beautiful.
Come on, let's go forward.
I'm sure we didn't miss anything down this way. Master bedroom.
And our bedroom.
Aww. What is 17? The sunroom. Wow.
Looks like we can't go outside.
That's okay. It's so interesting. It says that this is where they would do their entertaining. Our house, I think, is better suited for entertaining. Yeah. Excuse us. It's like a closet.
Yeah, closet.
Yeah. Wow.
That's what also looks like, and that's what Anna looks like.
Yeah.
Also, Anna says, yeah,
Another storage room.
That's not it. That's not it. But then we can play basketball.
Really? What's this? Breakfast room. Let's just go on over to the breakfast room. What's up here? The dining room. Is the food service room. This is where the servants lived. They had like butlers.
But more than the maid.
Wow. hallways are so narrow. $23 was the kitchen. Yeah. Excuse me. 24 was the pantry. 25 was the pantry. 26 was the ice box. This is where they kept the ice. Wow.
Come on.
What's
Look,
27?
it's a big giant hallway.
27 is the cook's quarters. This is where the cook lived.
Come on, guys.
Servants' quarters. Wow. They're putting windows in?
This was the painting room.
Yeah. 28 was the staff quarters. 29 was storage. Yeah. These are more of the servants' quarters. The servants' quarters. Wow. Bathroom. Excuse us. Yeah. The laundry room. Yeah. 32. Housekeeper's quarters. 33. Housekeeper bath. Oh, this one's not behind walls. We can touch this one. Ew. I like how they're. What? I don't know.
Private bath. Come on.
Come on, come on. Whoa, now we're upstairs. This is the laundry drying yard. This is where they dried the laundry.
And hang up clothes.
Yeah.
Why do we dry here?
Yeah.
Restrooms.
Those are the restrooms. So beautiful.
Subscribe and like the button and click on the bell. Goodbye.